Stop scrolling if you are a beginner just like me and want to ace that base, or you just want to look flawless for that next office presentation of yours. Watch till the end to know why this product is worth your money and is so good. First time I bought a pack brush. I got the pack concealer brush 219, and prime reason of buying this is that I was looking for a brush which is versatile enough to do my foundation, contour and concealer also. So in the description I saw that it's written it is good enough for liquid, creme and as well as powder formulations. Hence I decided to buy it. It retails at rupees 425 and I got it for 425. So I just want to review it and I'm going to show you how this works. In this clip I'm showing you a close-up where I'm applying a cream concealer over some dark spots and pigmentation, and just see how smoothly and evenly it blends over all of my skin. And this is even a more closer look with a bright flashlight, guys. Can you see the seamless finish? Now here I'm using a liquid concealer, applying it under my eyes and along the bridge of my nose. The bristles are so soft and dense, and it's shaped in such a way it easily goes into the corner of your eyes, above your crease, and it just blends the concealer perfectly. I have a feeling this can also apply highlighters as well as cream blushes perfectly. Yet to try it, but I will let you know later. Yes, price point is a bit on the higher side, but if you don't want too many brushes in your vanity, like a separate foundation brush, a concealer brush and a blender, then this is a must-have in your vanity. For the final touch to my makeup base, I used this loose banana powder. This brush did an excellent job with this setting powder as well. Let me know in the comments if you do need the link of this product. Also, please share this video with your friends and family who need to know this. Now in makeup, base is everything, and this is the final look that I got using this bag brush.